What's up, everybody? My name is Vince, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy strawberry coffee smoothie that's going to be absolutely delicious. All right, let's get started. First thing you need is a blender. All right, now that we have our blender, we're going to get our strawberries. I have my strawberries here in the refrigerator. I've already cut off the tops. You're going to use about 8 nicely sized strawberries. If you can see the size of that. 8 of them. And I'm going to dump these into the blender. Now the strawberries I'm using are from a company called Driscoll's. They're 100% organic. I'm not being sponsored by anybody. I just like to shout out the vendors that I use for my meals and any videos that I'm making. You know, just to give them props. I'm using their stuff, even though I did buy it. So the next thing we're gonna use is we're gonna pour in our coffee. So I have my coffee here in the refrigerator. So this is about 4 cups, just under, but you know, about. And we're gonna pour that in to our blender. So this is 4 cups, but I'm gonna use about 3 of these cups. All right, so 3 cups of coffee into the blender. The next thing we're gonna get is our, excuse me. We're gonna use a creamer. Oh, and I forgot to shout out the coffee manufacturer. I'm using Don Francisco's coffee. Again, I'm not being sponsored by anybody. Now, Don Francisco's, it says it's 100% Arabica and it's French roast, dark roast. Now, I don't know what Arabica means, but whatever it means, it's 100%. Now, we're gonna pour in about a cup of creamer. And the creamer that I'm using is International Delight. My favorite flavor is hazelnut, even though they have different flavors, of course, but my favorite flavor is hazelnut. So I'm gonna pour about a cup of that in to the smoothie that we're making. Put my creamer and my strawberries back in my refrigerator. Now, what is a smoothie without? Can you think of what I'm gonna say next? If you said ice, you're right. All right. So I have my ice right here. And you want to top it off with your ice. I got about 8 cubes of ice here. Throw that in. Now we're going to blend this up. I always start with a low setting and then I go higher. Now, all we have to do is taste. Pour this over the sink. And as you can see, it looks delicious. How's it taste? I'm about to find out. Tastes delicious as well. Now, using the coffee gives it kind of like a chocolatey type taste. Not that coffee beans are the same as chocolate beans, because they're not. They're not even beans, they're seeds, but you know, we all call them beans. So they're different types of beans, but when you blend it like this, it gives it a kind of a chocolatey taste. And it's healthy with the strawberries. Strawberries are very low in carbs and they're keto friendly. So this is how you do it to make a quick and easy and delicious coffee and strawberry smoothie. If you're not a coffee person, you can use tea and substitute it. Tea tastes good as well. I just think, in my opinion, the coffee tastes a little bit better. So there you have it. I'll be anxious to know what you think about this recipe. Put your comments in the comments below. And I'll see you the next time.